Hello friends, you are watching my channel OrgaNatic. In this video I'm gonna share with you 10 simple and easy tips for do-it-yourself organizers. These tips are great for the environment and for your budget. If you like videos about home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. For this first tip we're gonna need a plastic bottle. Cut the neck of the bottle using scissors or a paper knife. Take an open bag that contains some product and push it through the opening of the bottleneck. Then close the cap. And now you have a cost-free alternative for bag clips. For this next tip we're gonna use a medium-size cardboard box. First, measure its height and diagonal length to prepare 2 pieces of carton sheets. They will be used as dividers. Next, cut each divider in the middle towards the center. Connect the dividers and install them inside the box. You can keep anything your heart desires in this handmade organizer, like fresh produce or pasta. There are a lot of things you can do with milk and juice cartons. Just remember to rinse it with water and dry it out. For this tip we are going to cut the tops and the bottoms of the cartons and then cut the remaining middle part in half. For the simplicity of this video I went with a stapler to hold the parts together. However, a simple glue or paper clip would do way better. You can even tie them together with a ribbon. I personally recommend fitting them tightly in a drawer. Look at what I got! Such organizer is perfect for storing small things exclusively, like socks and underwear. And the drawer looks organized without spending a dime. Top cabinets are usually hard to reach, but there is a trick to make their content more accessible by keeping it in a box that you can just pull out, grab what you need and easily put back. Make sure that it's not too heavy. Great idea for optimizing storage space is to use a simple box as a shelf. You can fit a lot more this way in your kitchen cabinet. Not to mention, it will look much more organized for no costs at all. This next tip can pass for a life hack. Sometimes when we pour frying oil, it happens that a little droplet flows down the bottle and our hands become sticky. To avoid this, you can take an old child's sock, cut the top off and put it on the bottle. Now when we pour frying oil, our hands will remain clean. I can't help but mention everyone's favorite shoe boxes on this list. They can be used to organize literally everything you want and for absolutely free. If chaos reigns in your drawers, fold all the things and stack them neatly in the shoe boxes. Then place the boxes inside the drawers. In addition to making your life easier, it is visually pleasing every time you open the drawer. A tic-tac container is a well-known way for storing small items. Make sure to use the maxi pack though. You can keep various hair clips and bobby pins in it. Open the container and shake it until one of them falls out. Another idea is to use it as a salt, pepper or any other spice shaker. Take it to work and spice up your lunch. An occasional glass jar pops up in every house every now and then, and I'm here to give you an interesting tip on how to use it for home organization. But first, I decided to spray paint the lid silver to fit my interior better. In case you do the same, remember to let it dry out before using. It's great for keeping Q-tips and cotton rounds, protecting them from humidity. There is another idea to make the most out of a milk or a juice carton. Cut a carton in this way and use it for the inside part of the cabinet door by storing something in it. Also, you can cut a small hole in a carton to hang it on a hook. Please let me know in the comment sections which organizers do you prefer more, made with your own hands or store purchased. And I will be happy to share new content with you if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next week, bye bye!